Presto stainless steel pressure cooker, the best value pressure cooker in 2024. This smart choice enables you to prepare healthy and affordable meals quickly and easily. It cooks 3 to 10 times faster than traditional methods, even outpacing microwaves for many dishes. Chicken, fish, meat, and vegetables are rapidly cooked to perfection, and it also tenderizes cheaper cuts of meat. The Presto stainless steel pressure cooker is versatile, working on both regular and smooth stovetops. A lid lock indicator shows when there is a pressure inside, preventing the lid from being removed until it's safe. It includes a special rack for cooking multiple foods at once without mixing flavors. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for easy cleaning, a feature that users love. Pressure cookers have regained popularity as more people discover their speed and efficiency. They make it easy to cook healthy meals because food retains more nutrients and flavor. The Presto 6-quart stainless steel pressure cooker is multifunctional, doubling as a conventional soup pot while performing the kitchen magic pressure cookers are known for. Imagine cooking chicken cacciatore in just 8 minutes. This professional-grade stainless steel cooker is a valuable addition to any kitchen. Its inner sealing ring keeps steam contained, and it features a pop-up pressure gauge and simple steam release mechanism. There's also an overpressure cap that vents if excessive pressure builds up. Ideal for weeknight dinners or any meal that needs to be prepared quickly, it comes with a booklet containing over 65 recipes, from basic soups to stews and roast, even desserts like 5-minute custard. Good stuff.